Somewhere between a standard floor plan and a miracle, someone figured out that the shape of a house, just the shape, could solve almost every problem that makes family life hard. Too many people sharing one bathroom. Teenagers who need noise. Grandparents who need quiet. Kids who need to be watched but also need to run. Adults who need to work from home in the middle of all of it. This design solves every single one of those problems. And the families who have built it consistently say the same thing. They cannot believe they ever lived any other way. It is called a U-shaped home design. And right now, in 2026, it is quietly becoming the most requested floor plan among large and multi-generational families in the entire country. Today, we are going to show you exactly why. What it is, what it does, that a standard rectangular home simply cannot, and what it actually costs to build one. Why this conversation is happening now. Before getting into the design itself, it helps to understand why this conversation is happening right now. According to the National Association of Realtors 2025 Home Buyers and Sellers Generational Trends Report, 17% of all homes purchased in 2024 were multi-generational, a record high. The primary reason families gave was cost savings, cited by 36% of buyers, followed by caring for aging relatives at 25%, and bringing adult children home at 21%. Pew Research confirms that the number of Americans living in multi-generational households has quadrupled since 1971, reaching nearly 60 million people by 2021, representing 18% of the entire US population. That is not a trend. That is a structural shift in how American families live. And the housing market has been desperately slow to catch up, still selling rectangular boxes designed for nuclear families that look less and less like the families actually buying them. The U-shaped home is the design that caught up, and the families who found it are not going back. What is a U-shaped home? The concept is exactly what it sounds like. A U-shaped home wraps around three sides of a central courtyard or outdoor space, creating a protected private area accessible from multiple points inside the house. Think of it as two wings extending forward from a central connecting section, forming a U when viewed from above. The central courtyard can be anything: a landscaped garden, a pool, a children's play area, an outdoor kitchen, a covered entertaining space. Because it is enclosed on three sides by the structure of the home itself, it is naturally sheltered from wind, shielded from street view, and visible from multiple rooms simultaneously. The living areas, kitchen, dining, great room, typically occupy the base of the U. One wing houses the master suite and adult bedrooms. The other wing handles secondary bedrooms, an in-law suite, a home office, or whatever the family's specific needs require. The result is a home where every major room faces inward toward a shared private outdoor space, instead of outward toward a street, a neighbor's fence, or a blank wall. That one change in orientation transforms how a family actually lives inside it. For families with young children, this one alone justifies the entire design. In a standard rectangular home, the backyard is out of sight from the kitchen. If the kids are outside, you are either in the backyard with them, or you are inside and cannot see them. That is not a minor inconvenience. It is a daily source of stress for every parent who has ever had to choose between cooking dinner and watching their children. In a U-shaped home, the courtyard is directly visible from the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room simultaneously. The kids are outside in a space fully enclosed on three sides by the house itself. No gate left open, no street access, you can see them from everywhere that matters. The AIA's 2024 findings on multi-generational homes specifically highlight how circulation patterns and sight lines deeply influence real-life comfort. The U-shape solves both. Reason 2, wing separation gives everyone privacy. This is the reason the U-shape naturally solves the privacy problem that destroys multi-generational living arrangements. Here is the reality of living with multiple generations in a standard open-plan home. The teenager wants to watch movies loud at midnight. The grandparent wants to sleep by 9. The toddler wakes up at 6. The parent is on a work call at noon. In a rectangular floor plan, everyone's schedules collide constantly, and no amount of goodwill survives that friction indefinitely. In a U-shaped home, one wing contains the bedrooms for one generation, the other wing serves another. Each wing can be architecturally closed off from the common areas while still sharing the courtyard. The teenager in one wing does not affect the grandparent in the other. Privacy and togetherness, not as opposites, but as simultaneous realities. Reason 3. The courtyard is free square footage. This is the one that surprises people most. The courtyard space in a U-shaped home is not counted in your square footage. It is exterior space, open sky, but it functions as a room. A large, beautiful, weather-protected room that every major space in the house opens onto. In practical terms, a 2,500 square foot U-shaped home lives significantly larger than a 2,500 square foot rectangular home because the courtyard adds hundreds of square feet of functional outdoor living space at no cost to your interior square footage calculation. You are essentially getting a bonus room that costs a fraction of an interior room because it does not need HVAC, does not need a ceiling, and does not show up in your per square foot build cost. Reason 4. Natural light and ventilation at a structural level. The U-shaped home is an extraordinarily efficient natural light and ventilation machine. Because the U pulls rooms around a central courtyard, window placement is nearly always optimal, bringing in sunlight throughout the day from multiple angles and directions. In a standard rectangular home, rooms on the interior or on the north-facing wall may receive very little natural light. In a U-shaped home, almost every room has at least one courtyard facing window or door. The courtyard acts as a natural ventilation corridor, drawing in cool air through one wing and expelling warm air through the other when cross-ventilation is optimized through operable windows and glass doors. Research on courtyard building design consistently shows that well-designed courtyards can reduce cooling demand by 10 to 20% in warm climates compared to equivalent rectangular structures. For large families with high utility bills, that passive efficiency built directly into the shape of the house is a real financial advantage over the lifetime of the build. Reason 5. It grows with your family. This is the one that keeps families in a U-shaped home for decades. The wing that starts as a nursery becomes a teenager suite. The in-law suite that houses grandparents becomes a rental or a home office when the situation changes. The bonus room at the end of one wing becomes a home gym, a studio, a schoolroom, whatever the family needs at that stage of life. And structurally, if the land allows it, one wing can be extended. In barndominium and metal frame construction, adding length to a wing is one of the most straightforward expansions possible. You are not disrupting the main structure. You are extending an arm. Most families outgrow their home in a decade because the standard rectangular layout has no flexibility built into it. The U-shaped home has flexibility built into its DNA. It is designed to change as your family changes, and that is a quality no amount of square footage alone can replicate. What does it actually cost? The honest answer is that the U-shape adds complexity compared to a simple rectangular footprint, and complexity adds cost. The additional roofline work, the extra exterior walls, the structural engineering for the wing connections. These are real factors. Most builders estimate a U-shaped layout adds 10 to 20% to your structural build cost over an equivalent rectangular footprint. To put real numbers on it, a standard 2,500 square foot barndominium at $95 to $145 per square foot runs $237,000 to $362,000 in mid-range finishes. A U-shaped design at the same interior square footage, accounting for the added structural complexity, realistically lands in the $270,000 to $420,000 range, depending on your region, your finishes, and how you develop the courtyard space. The counterargument, and it is a strong one, is that the courtyard adds hundreds of square feet of functional outdoor living space to that cost. A covered furnished courtyard with an outdoor kitchen, fire pit, and seating area might cost $25,000 to $50,000 to develop. That same square footage as an interior room in a comparable home would cost $95 to $145 per square foot. The math often favors the courtyard. The U-shape is not the cheapest floor plan to build, but for large families and multi-generational households, It is frequently the most cost-efficient use of a total build budget because it solves more problems per dollar than any other design in the residential space. Nearly 60 million Americans are currently living in multi-generational households. A record 17% of all home buyers in 2024 purchased a multi-generational home. The housing market is full of people trying to figure out how to live together in a way that actually works. That gives everyone privacy, gives everyone connection, gives everyone enough space without requiring an unlimited budget. The U-shaped home is the design built for exactly that problem. And the families who figure that out before they build instead of after are the ones who end up staying in their homes for 30 years. Drop a comment below right now. Tell us which of the 5 reasons hit you the hardest. Every comment gets read, and we genuinely want to know which problem this design solves for your family specifically. If you are in the planning phase right now, the next video covers U-shaped barn-dominium plans specifically with real cost breakdowns and design examples. That one will save money before you spend $1. Subscribe if you want more content that actually helps your family build smarter.